Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are looking at Lucidchart and Lucidspark. Both are made by the same company, but they are for different kind of teamwork. Lucidchart is for diagramming and Lucidspark is for brainstorming. So in this video, I will explain what each one does, what's new in present, and which one might fits for your best work. But before we start, I just want to say one thing, that please check the description below. I have added official links to Lucidchart and Lucidspark, and also you will get some updated information if anything changes later. So if you want the latest information straight from the source, you can check them out. So let's talk about Lucidchart first. Lucidchart is making for diagram. So you can make flowcharts, process maps, network diagrams, and many more. And nowadays, Lucidchart got the AI diagramming suggestions. This means you can type what you want and Lucidchart will suggest the shape and layout for you. It also added better integration with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace. This makes it easier to keep your diagram up to date and share them with your team. Now Lucidspark is for brainstorming. It is more like a virtual whiteboard. And now Lucidchart added improved sticky notes, live voting, and support grouping. That means when your team added many ideas, the tool can automatically group similar ideas together. It also has timers and breakout boards, so you can run workspace online and keep everyone focused. So the main difference between Lucidchart and Lucidspark is Lucidchart is structured and formal. You will use it when you know what you are mapping, like a process or a system. Lucidspark is a free and open. You use it when you want ideas to flow before things are fixed into a diagram. Many teams actually use both. They brainstorm in Lucidspark and then they move to Lucidchart to create the final and clean diagram. And nowadays both tools can connect. You can take a Lucidspark board and send it into Lucidchart for more detailed design. This makes it easy to move from ideas to a finished plan without losing anything. So if you want to create and share formal diagram, Lucidchart is a very good option for you. If you want brainstorm, collect ideas, and work in a creative space, Lucidspark is perfect for you. Both are strong and together they cover the whole teamwork process. So I hope now you understand the difference and the similarity or the work process about this tool. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for official link and the latest update. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.